today I wanted something a little bit smoother, a little bit creamier, a little bit more banana. So today we are making the banana drift cocktail. To start this cocktail, we're going to use half an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. 0.7. It's like, I can't remember what sugar I was using. 0.75 ounces of simple syrup. Half an ounce of maple syrup. 1 ounce of heavy whipping. Whoa, that came out soups fast. Woo! It's fine. It's all fine. Half an ounce of banana liqueur, if I can get that to come out. And then 2 ounces of your favorite brand of bourbon. I'm not sure what that was for, but okay.
That was quite the face.
Anyway. Okay, now that we have everything into our shaker tin here, focus you. Okay, we're gonna add ice. Ice is not cooperating. Okay, we're gonna shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in our hands. So aggressive.
Gotta work on your dismount.
Dismount.
There you
go. Okay. We're going to get a rocks glass, and we are going to put ice in there as well. One more just because. All right. Because of the fresh squeezed lemon juice, we are going to double strain. Oh, it's a pity. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. And then for our garnish, we're going to take a banana slice and just carefully set it on the edge. All right. And there we have our banana drift. I'll remember the cocktails someday, guys. Banana drift. I almost said martini. Had one too many banana drifts, apparently. Okay, so I'm going to taste and then I'm going to rate. Rating is 1. I'll have 1, move on to the next cocktail. There's a bug. 5 is I could drink it all night. No problems. So, I know this is going to shock you, but I smell a lot of banana.
Whoa.
I know.
Surprise flavor.
Pomegranate. No. Ooh, but it's quite nice. Obviously very banana-y. I'm trying to think. It kind of just tastes like a banana milkshake. Yeah, banana milkshake.
But not sickly sweet.
But no, it's not sickly sweet. Not at all. Like, it tastes like you're eating a banana. Like, so it's, yeah, it's not very, it's sweet, but it's not super sweet. You get that nice little maple flavor. So, like, I don't know. Yeah, banana milkshake. Just less sweet. I don't know. That's what I'm going with.
Milkshake with maple and bourbon.
Yeah. We're not, we don't have to talk about it. If the bourbon works, the bourbon works. Whatever. Anywho's, okay. So for me, this one, I think I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. I definitely could have a few of these. And then at some point, again, the bourbon would sneak up on me and then bad things would happen to good people, aka me. So I'm going to go 4 out of 5. Don't forget, cocktail ingredients are listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right at home. Let me know if you made it and if your rating is the same or different. Or maybe you have a totally different scale. I have no idea. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are, and then I will see you at the next pour. Cheers!